Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you apply for Square streamers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application and tap to this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there and then tap to more services. Then scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this information section. Now in here, tap to live button, and then after opening the live, it will open your Binance profile if you tap into this me button. Now after tapping into there, you will get to see this option of apply for streamers. Tap to that button, and after tapping into apply for streamers, you will get this page to see. Now you just simply have to open this link, apply to become a Binance Square content creator now, and after tapping into there, it will lead you to a site if this feature is available into your region. Just simply tap there and fill all of the required informations about you, which has to be exactly matched into the legal documents that you have registered into your Binance, and then you can easily be eligible for streamers in Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.